How to delete contacts on Android. So whichever device you have been using, either that's iPhone or Android, the process is same. So don't worry about that. First of all, you just have to open contacts on your device. Once you open it, you need to select the particular person's contact that you want to delete on your Android or iPhone devices. Once you open it, you will be able to find out your contacts information here. So in order to delete this particular contact on your device, there is the two-way basically. On the screen, you will see three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it. And now on this drop-down menu box, you can select the delete button. If you select that delete option, then your contact will be easily deleted. The other thing is you can also select the edit icon, which is like the pencil icon at the top of the screen. Now once you reach on this edit contact page, you can tap on three dots again at the top right corner and easily tap on delete, and this contact will be permanently deleted from your device if you select this delete option. So if you are sure that you want to delete this contact, select the delete option and this contact is permanently deleted from your device now. So that's how we easily delete contacts on iPhone or Android. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.